We are good going, folks. In this chapter, we will discuss organization decision towards DevOps. Without more ado, let's go to the chapter. First, let's see the changes in the organization. DevOps is not only the process, but also a practice that creates big cultural changes within the organization. So it is up to the organization to decide whether to move into DevOps practice or not. Simply automating the test and deployment is not the only part of the DevOps that should be done. It is a complete methodology change for an organization. The DevOps practice is to start from top to bottom. Okay, so what are the steps needs to be initiated from an organization? Analyzing the current system and identifying the most efficient method for customer delivery. Combine development and operations into one team. Identify the resources across the teams from development, test, and operations department. Make them capable of understanding customer expectation and assign responsibilities for their deliverables. Added role changes also give the resources a free hand. Cross-functional training should happen among the selected teams. For example, the software engineers team should understand what the service engineers do and vice versa. Service engineers' involvement in application architecture to provide better support for the system. Enable the DevOps team for handling capacity management, service design, service management, change management, problem management, and monitoring. On the flip side, there are chances for hesitation, internal politics, traditional processes, role changes, cost, and situational negative discouragement expected. Next action should be on making this a habitual process for fast delivery, which will enable the organization to analyze and learn their customers with production data. I hope you guys got some idea about how an organization will think DevOps from their perspective. In the next chapter, we will see the DevOps transformation.